Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Are you looking for best devices? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best devices of all time. Today we are making videos on best-selling backpack. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box. Product 1. Product name: Swiss Military Men Laptop Backpack. The Swiss Military Men Laptop Backpack is a versatile and durable backpack designed to meet the needs of modern professionals, students, and travelers. With a sleek and stylish design, this backpack is not only functional, but also adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit. One of the standout features of this backpack is its ample capacity, capable of accommodating a 17-inch laptop along with various other essentials, such as books, documents, and accessories. This makes it an ideal choice for students or professionals who need to carry their laptop and other work materials with them on a daily basis. In addition to its spacious interior, the Swiss Military Backpack also offers excellent organization options with multiple compartments and pockets to keep belongings neatly arranged and easily accessible. Whether it's pens, keys, or electronic gadgets, there's a dedicated spot for everything, helping users stay organized and efficient throughout the day. Furthermore, the bag provides added protection for belongings, making it suitable for use in various weather conditions or during outdoor activities. Another notable feature of this backpack is its built-in USB port, allowing users to conveniently charge their electronic devices on the go. This feature comes in handy for those who rely heavily on their smartphones. Product 2. Product name: Waterproof 17-inch Laptop Backpack. The waterproof 17-inch laptop backpack, as described in the context above, appears to be a versatile and durable option for individuals seeking a reliable solution to carry their laptops and other essentials while traveling, commuting, or attending school. Here's an overview of its key features. Waterproof design. The backpack is designed to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring that the contents inside, including valuable electronics like laptops, remain dry and protected. USB charging port. Equipped with a USB charging port, this backpack offers convenience for individuals who need to charge their devices on the go. This feature allows users to connect a power bank inside the backpack and charge their devices externally. Versatile usage. Suitable for both men and women, the backpack serves multiple purposes, including travel, work, school, and outdoor activities. Its unisex design makes it a practical choice for a wide range of users. Vintage style. A vintage-inspired design, adding a touch of style to its functionality. This aesthetic appeal makes it suitable for individuals who appreciate retro-inspired accessories. Spacious interior. Besides the laptop compartment, the backpack likely offers ample space for storing other belongings, such as books, clothes, water bottles, and smaller gadgets, making it ideal for daily commuting. Product 3. Product name: Expandable Backpack. Key features of these backpacks typically include expandable design. The expandable feature allows users to adjust the capacity of the backpack according to their needs. Whether carrying minimal items or fully packed for a trip, the expandable nature ensures versatility and convenience. Laptop compartment. A dedicated padded compartment provides secure storage for laptops up to 17 inches, offering protection against bumps and scratches during transportation. Waterproof material. Constructed from waterproof materials, these backpacks offer protection against light rain and accidental spills, ensuring the safety of electronic devices and documents inside. USB charging port. Many models come equipped with a built-in USB charging port, allowing users to conveniently charge their electronic devices on the go by connecting a power bank inside the backpack. Multiple compartments and pockets. These backpacks typically feature multiple compartments and pockets, offering ample space to organize making them suitable for daily use. Product 4. Product name: Bange Travel Backpack for Men. The Bange Travel Backpack for Men is a versatile and functional backpack designed to cater to the needs of modern travelers, businessmen, and students alike. With its expandable design, this backpack offers ample space to accommodate various belongings, making it suitable for both short trips and daily commutes. One notable feature of the Bange Travel Backpack is its large capacity, capable of accommodating a 17.3-inch laptop along with other essentials, such as books, clothes, and electronic gadgets. This makes it a convenient choice for individuals who need to carry multiple items during their travels or daily routines. Moreover, the backpack is constructed with waterproof materials, providing protection against unexpected weather conditions and ensuring the safety of its contents. This feature adds a layer of durability, making it suitable for outdoor adventures as well. In addition to its practicality, the Bange Travel Backpack incorporates modern modern design elements, making it a fashionable product. 5 Large Capacity Rucksack Man Travel Bag. The Large Capacity Rucksack Man Travel Bag is a versatile and robust backpack designed specifically for men who prioritize functionality and ample storage space during their travels or outdoor adventures. This backpack, also known as a mountaineering backpack, is tailored to meet the demands of male travelers and adventurers. Crafted from durable canvas material, this bag offers both style and durability, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of travel, whether it's a weekend getaway or an extended hiking expedition. The canvas construction also provides resistance to wear and tear, making it suitable for various environments and weather conditions. One of the standout features of this travel bag is its large capacity, allowing users to pack all their essentials and more for extended trips. With multiple compartments and pockets, organizing belongings becomes effortless, enhancing convenience and accessibility on the go. Whether it's clothing, gadgets, or camping gear, there's ample room to in a padded back panel, distributing weight evenly and reducing strain on the wearer, even during long hours of wear. This ergonomic design ensures a comfortable carrying experience, whether hiking through rugged terrain or